Hey everybody, Matt from SO Motorsports here. Real quick vid today. Just going to show you how to change out the wiper inserts here with some Honda Genuine wiper blades. Because mine are getting a little old. I've done this once before, and I don't feel like spending all that money on some fancy new ones when it's a quick 2-minute process. So I'll show you that real quick. Alright, got a bit of a better view on this side. So really all you do here, squeeze in this clip and pull backwards. There you go. See how it popped back like that? And then what you have to do is take this whole little clip off by pulling down. So it might take me 2 hands. I'll be right back. Alright, so all you do is pull back. Put that down so I'm not going to lose it. I'm just going to leave it right there in my rain tray. And then you can just pull out the insert like so. Much easier with 2 hands. And then you want to make sure you compare it to your new one, size-wise. So there to there for anybody who needs it. That's the passenger side. There's the driver side. So I'm going to go ahead and slide this one in now. I'm going to need 2 hands, so I can't show you that. But I'll come back when we're done, and you can see them both. But you can see this one's got a coating on it because it's new. It's almost a gray color. This is the worn-out black one. It's all kind of chunky. It's dirty. This is after I cleaned it too, so be a big difference. See if I can try to show you this here. There is the channel. You're going to use that top channel on this one, insert it, and up it goes. It might get a little tough to pull up, so you got to go down the bottom, kind of work it up slowly until it gets all the way to the top. There we are. It's a little tough because you're overcoming the friction of all that fresh rubber. So a little bit of, you don't have to use invisible glass, but some sort of cleaner helps. And then you just replace this cap here. It goes, sorry, I'm trying to do this one-handed. Under these 2 metal bars. Well, they might be plastic. They're like little guards. You have to go under those with part of it, and then over the back side. There we go. And then make sure you go over the cover on this side. Done. So we'll do the other side. I'm going to invisible glass the windshield. I'm going to Rain-X the windshield. And we're done. So thanks for watching, guys. This has been SO Motorsports. And again, I'm Matt. You can follow us Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. I know this has been the first video in a while. I do have more coming eventually. It's been getting pretty crazy, getting a new garage put together to work on stuff. So we'll see you later. Peace.